Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to change oil in your BMW 328i. First, ensure you have the correct oil, a new filter, and all necessary tools. Safety is paramount, so properly lift and secure your car on sturdy jack stands. Then, identify the oil drain plug and the oil filter housing, which are crucial components for this maintenance task. We'll go through each step carefully. Once your car is safely elevated, position a suitable drain pan directly under the oil drain plug. Using the correct wrench, carefully loosen and remove the drain plug. Be prepared for the oil to flow out immediately. Let the old engine oil drain completely. This usually takes several minutes to ensure all contaminants are removed. Patience here is key.
Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more car maintenance tips. On another note, for all your reading needs, check out the new Kindle Paperwhite. It's perfect for reading manuals or just relaxing with a good book. You can find the link and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video.
After the oil has drained, it's time to address the oil filter. Carefully remove the oil filter housing, usually located on top of the engine. Take out the old filter element and replace the old O-ring with a new one provided with your new filter. Insert the fresh oil filter into the housing, then screw the housing back into place, ensuring it's snug but not over-tightened. With the new filter in place, reinsert the oil drain plug, making sure to use a new crush washer to prevent leaks. Now, carefully pour the recommended amount of fresh engine oil into the fill port. Consult your owner's manual for the exact oil type and capacity. Finally, start the engine briefly, then check the oil level using your BMW's electronic dipstick system to ensure it's correct.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.